Hello everyone, today I'll be unboxing my very first Blythe Middie. I'll be going in depth as much as I can. This video is also intended for other adult doll collectors. Please enjoy. This is Marianne, released November 13th, 2015. Right off the top, Marianne's box is laid out in a pink and light blue diamond checkered print. The front of the box is adorned with playing card symbols, a teapot and stacked teacups, as well as two little macaroons at the bottom. Now the bottom left has an illustration of a tiny bottle with a tag that reads, "Don't drink me." This is a very big theme for Marianne, as you'll see in a bit. And finally, the Blythe logo with Marianne's name at the bottom. Now, on the side of the box, the bottle from the front is now opened, releasing a few bubbles and a swirl of text that reads, "Now look at me, I'm small and midi size. Will I ever grow bigger?" Marianne, like many neo-Blythes and middies, come with a little story in the back of their box. I can't read Japanese, but when I translated it, it read similar to the little quote that Marianne had on Blythe's website, blythe.com. So rather than butchering it, I'll read the paragraph from the website. Oh why did I drink that drink? There's no turning back now. I should have chosen another. But now I am midi-sized. Will I grow back, or will I forever be this small? Like most Blythes and middies, they include a cardboard cover for their stand. Not all doll releases have one, but Marianne fortunately does. Marianne's is a diamond checkered print, this time in black and white. I wanted to be careful because she is expensive and I didn't want to damage the cardboard. Even if I'm not going to sell her, I just didn't want the cardboard to be all ripped up, so I decided to cut only the plastic bits using my work knife. I only cut the tape that was on the plastic and not the tape that was directly on the cardboard. I didn't want to thin out the cardboard. I knew that if I did directly tear the tape that was in contact with the cardboard, it would be more at risk of making holes and just completely destroying the cardboard. And I totally disregarded what I just told myself not to do. Anyways, the inside of her little box is this minty green color with stripes, one lighter than the other. Like many Blythes, they come with a clover-shaped stand. The color of her stand is a chocolate brown, my favorite, and her waist hugger is also brown with a golden rod. Marianne comes with black and white checkered knee-high socks. They are the same diamond checkered print as you've seen before. One looks a bit bigger than the other, but when I put them on, you could barely tell. Her shoes are a very simple black Mary Jane with a gold spade at the tip of the shoe, along with a single gold button on both sides of the strap. Marianne comes with an adorable little pink flocked top hat. It has a black felted cutout of another top hat, and in very faint paint it says "Don't Drink Me," along with a spade and another top hat on top of it. The hat also has a striped ribbon that ties into a bow on the left side. And on the inside of the hat contains a small hair comb to secure the hat in place. Marianne already comes with her outfit on, so to start off, she wears a jacket-like blouse. It's brown with beige and dark brown stripes. The blouse has short puffy sleeves with the same fabric and a brown ribbon to mimic a cuff. The front of the blouse also has 2 rows of gold buttons. I believe it's trying to mimic a pea coat. At the top of her blouse, she has a pink square bib neckline, if I'm saying that right, with a white lace collar and a black ribbon tie. The bottom of her blouse has a black lace trim sewn all the way to the back where it meets to a cute black bow. Marianne comes with a simple pink circle skirt that has playing card symbols going all around at the bottom of her skirt, which is also hemmed with white lace. Underneath, Marianne has a pair of light pink bloomers, ruched at the waist and legs. Her bloomers don't have Velcro, but her skirt and blouse indeed have Velcro. Marianne comes with a lovely pair of gold heart-shaped earrings. There's nothing else I can say about them. They're very cute and simple. Like many Blythes, Marianne is also wrapped in plastic underneath her clothes to prevent the body from staining. Quick change, I had to remove her pieces since they were getting in the way as I was trying to remove the plastic. I thought it would be a great chance to see what other doll clothes could fit a Middie. Brat's tops and skirts do fit them nicely, but of course, Middies are much shorter, so the sleeves look a bit funky, but it's cute. It adds character to them. As I was redressing her, I realized putting on the shoes looked a bit funny. Her socks are thick and her shoes are thin, so I had to fiddle around with the socks so that the shoes could fit right. Although it still blisters out, I'm fine with it blistering at the bottom. You won't be able to see it really. Like Neo Blythes, Middies have limited articulation. Their arms and legs can only go up and down, but Middies have a special neck articulation. Their necks can move side to side, up and down, and all the way around. Neo Blythes can only move their head from side to side. And just as I was demonstrating, her earring fell off. Is this a common thing for one earring to be looser than the other? Like the neck articulation, Middies come with another special feature. On the back of their heads, they have a dial. This dial allows you to move their eyes from left to right. Unlike Neo Blythes, who have 4 interchangeable eye chips, Middies only come with 1, and they can move from side to side. Before I forget, Marianne has long dark brown hair. It's styled straight, parted in the middle, with a blunt bang covering just enough to see her eyes. Her eyelashes are black, and her eyes are a pretty light blue color. According to Blythe.com, she has a faint light purple eyeshadow. Her lips and cheeks are both pink, and last but not least, she has a cream skin tone complexion. And that is all for Marianne. I filmed this back in April, I believe, and I have since unboxed a few more Blythes. I also apologize if I wasn't that clear Doing this, I realized how badly I slur my words. But thank you so much for watching if you made it till here. And if not, I don't blame you. I'll now show you how she looks with her hair washed and at a much better angle. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Ta-da! I decided to sew an outfit for Marianne, a very typical Alice in Wonderland pinafore and dress, a gravity-defying hair bow, and some chunky boots to go along with it. The pinafore is a vintage-inspired pinafore with ruffles along the apron and straps. I, of course, had to add lace to the ruffles. The dress is a dark brown Peter Pan collar dress with puffy sleeves and a roughly 3-tiered skirt. It has black lace with black ribbon trim all around each ruffle and a lovely mini striped chocolate brown undershirt and socks. Thank you once again for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.